The German audio brand TA Electroacoustic has announced a very elegant update to their Solitaire T headphone range. Now, this is a white elegant headphone they're calling the Solitaire T Cognac white headphone. It is a beauty in terms of its design. I like this headphone a lot. I think I personally, my favorite color in this world is white, so anything white really sets me off. So I actually like this headphone. I think it looks so elegant and so beautiful. Now they say that this new Solitaire T Cognac white replaces the original Solitaire T white. Now this pair is a lot better in so many ways because they say that it's more comfortable. They've carefully matched ear cups, so it at least when you get it, you won't have fatigue. You can wear this for a really really long time. And there is a new carrying case with this new model made from animal-free leather. That's how they've made this model. And inside the transducer, inside you're getting a 42 millimeter transducer with a specialized diaphragm. Let's say it's a cellulose diaphragm. The build is very rigid. You get a very rigid design. There is speed, there is clarity, and the transducer is also paired with headphones optimized bass system. So bass is very tight, and the drivers deliver insane amount of detail. At least from what the brand says, you get airy highs, detailed mids, and a very strong bass presence. That's something that is very synonymous with the Solitary T sound signature. That you don't get muddy bass or anything. You get very clean, powerful bass. Now, one thing with the Solitary T is that it's always equipped with a lot of things in the box. Most of the time, you get very high quality cable, and you get a lot of other features in terms of like the packaging. It's elegant, and you get a lot of accessories in the box. So that's one thing that sets it apart from other products that other brands sell their headphones for. Now, the only issue I have with this new Solitary T Cognac White is the price, because it's very expensive. It is $1,850. That's the price tag. That's the official price tag, and it's going to start retailing next month, February. So that's the price tag. If you can afford to pay $1,850, then you can actually go ahead and get your hands on the new TA Solitary T Cognac white headphones. I'm going to drop details down below for everyone to see if you're interested in this new release. So do check it out. Do subscribe to the channel. Do like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.